How to easily create an invitation link on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to easily create an invitation link on Messenger to invite anyone to your group chat or conversation. You will be able to share a link and get people into the conversation in seconds. Let's jump right in. First of all, open your Messenger app on your phone or head to Messenger on the web. It's that simple. Once you are in, find the group chat or individual conversation that you want to share and invite link for. Now tap on the group name or the profile icon at the top of the chat. This will open up the settings for that group. You will see this menu appear. Now scroll through the menu and you should see an option that say invitation link or something similar. Tap on that and then toggle switch turn on. Anyone can join your group chat with this link. Here's the fun part, you will see an option to invite to group via link. Just click that and boom, your invitation link is ready. Once you have got the link, you can either copy it directly or share it through any platform. Whether it's by email, text or social media, it's completely up to you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.